Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be showing you basically how to get free coins and keys in Subway Surfers. Now, Subway Surfers is a very popular game, especially on the mobile, and usually you have to purchase these coins and keys using real money. But I've managed to find a method to get 1 million coins and 500 keys for free in Subway Surfers. And this method only takes a few minutes. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video today. It's super easy and you only need your mobile phone. So let me record my screen and show you guys how you can go and get your free Subway Surfers coins and keys. So let's record at my screen. So open up an internet browser on your mobile. And you have to go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. This is the website that you need to find, guys, topdogcodes.com. Pretty cool website. You can see on my screen here, there is so many different pages that are bound to save you money, so you can even just have a browse through here if you wish. But there is a search bar at the top of the page which helps you navigate your way to the page you're looking for. So click on that and just open Subway and it will pop up here. And you can see it says Subway Surfers free coins and keys. Tap on that to open the page up. Scroll down, so this is where you can select which redeem code you want. Now these are simple codes that you can literally redeem within the game, and it's going to credit you the corresponding resources. So you can see you can get 1 million free Subway Surfers coins, or you can get 500 free Subway Surfers keys. So just choose which one you want, and then click on Show Code. And it's going to pop up basically confirming your choice. So this one specifically is going to be for 1 million free coins. And you can see here, guys, it says Subway. And then, essentially the second half of the code is protected. The reason why they're protected is basically this just prevents the codes from being stolen in bulk. So you can imagine people create robots to basically take every available code. So tap unlock code. And there is a short process that we need to complete to unlock our free coins code. You can see here it says Subway Surfers Code Unlocker. And essentially we need to follow the instructions on this page to get our free coins. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below. And you can see on my screen here I've got a list of different tasks that are completely free. So you just need to select any 2 that you see on the screen and complete them. So as an example, you can see this one at the top, Travel Town. It says download and complete level 10. So this is basically a free game that I would have to download. It's going to take me to the App Store where I have to download the game and then play it until whatever it said it's a level 10. So, alternatively, there can be free surveys where you just have to answer some questions. They're all pretty easy. They take around 3 to 5 minutes each, and they're all completely free. So let me pause the video. I'll complete 2 of those, and then I'll come back. Okay, guys. So I just went ahead and I completed 2 of the tasks. So I actually did the 2 at the top. So I had to play this game until level 10. Then I downloaded this Family Island game, and I had to play that until I completed level 8. It did take me around 10 minutes to complete 2 of these tasks, but yeah, it's well worth it considering, yeah, we are getting 1 million coins from this. So once you've done that, you can press your tabs button, and you should now see this Subway Surfers tab down here. When you click on it, there is my 1 million, coins for Subway Surfers. So this is a redeem code that I can copy and literally enter it into the redeem code page within the game. I'm just gonna credit my account 1 million coins for completely free. So you can do that, and you can also get free keys if you wish. So go to topdogcodes.com, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, leave a comment below if you need any help. And yeah, always willing to help you guys out, so thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time. Enjoy your free keys and coins. Peace.